If you've been seeing ads for Eden Labs Castor Oil pack claiming it can detox your body, remove parasites, improve digestion, and restore gut health fast, you're probably wondering whether this product is truly effective or just another overhyped wellness trend. After looking closely at what is being promoted, the reality appears much more complicated than the marketing suggests. Eden Labs Castor Oil Pack is essentially a wearable wrap designed to hold castor oil against the skin, based on an old traditional remedy that some people use for relaxation, skin softness, or temporary comfort. However, there is currently no strong medical evidence proving that applying castor oil externally can penetrate deep enough to cleanse the gut, remove parasites, break down so-called biofilm, or deliver major internal detox results. That's where many buyers may feel misled, because the promotional language often makes it sound like a scientific breakthrough, when the product itself is a fairly basic wellness accessory. Another concern is the use of emotional marketing tactics such as hidden gut invaders, mysterious toxins, and urgent limited-time discounts designed to push fast purchases. Some testimonials also sound exaggerated with dramatic overnight transformations that are difficult to verify. While some users may enjoy using a castor oil pack as part of a self-care routine, warmth routine, or relaxation habit, expecting it to solve digestive issues or serious health problems would likely lead to disappointment. It's also smart to watch for subscription offers or recurring billing terms before ordering, since some wellness brands use those models aggressively. So, is Eden Labs Castor Oil Pack legit or scam? It seems to be a real product, but the claims surrounding it may go far beyond what the product can realistically deliver. If you're considering buying it, the safest approach is to see it as a simple wellness wrap rather than a miracle gut healing solution. Always research carefully, read policies, and keep expectations realistic before spending your money.